Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create this viral AI bodybuilding video editing. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into the video. So the first step is to open your Google Play Store. Now in the search bar, search for Pixverse. And now you see this application, Pixverse AI video generator. Now make sure you install it into your smartphone. So right now I have already installed it into my smartphone. So all I need to do right now is to open it. So I'm going to open it right now. So guys, make sure you sign in with your Google account so that you can receive 60 free credits every day for AI creation. Now let's go down and look at the templates that we're going to use. Now for this, we're going to use this muscle surge template, which we're going to use to create the viral AI bodybuilding video editing. Now let's use the template. Click on the template. Now allow all access. Now add the photo you want to use. So I'm going to add this photo. As you can see, for each generation we are going to use 20 credits. So I'm going to click on create and wait for Pixverse AI to create the bodybuilding video editing. Now as you can see, the video is generating and it will notify you when it is ready. So right now the video generation is completed. Now click to view it. So here is the final result. Now click on the download button and save the video with watermark, and the video will be saved to your device. So that's all for my side today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Much love I got for you, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.